Welcome back, everyone, to the Wearable Droid wiring instructional videos. To this point, we've added a lot of things to our robot, but we've not put a light in there. We've got buzzers and motors and buttons and whatnot, but we do not have an LED light. And for the project, we'd like for students to at least put one or two of these into the robot. Now, I don't have with me the modular pieces that clip in here that can put the lights in place. I'll be doing a module design that snaps in things and showing you that at a different time. But right here is just one of the LED lights. This is a red one, and we're going to wire that up. It's pretty simple to do, and I will show you how we can do that. Also, while I'm kind of playing with this, I have the dome out here. This is one of the dome designs that you could download and edit and mess with, and the hole right here is actually if you were wondering, that whole size is for the LED light, in case you wanted to put a light in there. And you can run wires down through the robot into here, and that's why there's holes that go all the way through it, is so you can run wires up and down the robot. Pretty cool, huh? So that was the original idea behind that project. So we have the long pins. You can notice there's two sizes for the pin. One's long, one's short. The long wire goes to our signal, or the pins on the Arduino that we can control. The short wire goes to our common ground. So I'm going to make the green cable here our common ground. And what's great about this is we can just plug right into any of the hold connectors for our jumper cables. And I'm just going to have, kind of give a longer cable in here, because maybe I want to put this up at the very top. I'm just going to cut one side here off so I can be able to strip this down and put this in our common ground. And the other side, the long side here, will go. I'll plug that in, and that would plug into, I think I have it set as D12, D11 in the wiring instructions at the very bottom of the document. So kind of back there, these back two pins are the two pins I'm going to put them into, and I'm going to use a little pin here to kind of push that in, and so it's back there. Maybe a little hard to see, but it's back there. That's where that's at. And so that's plugged in there, and I could run that wire all the way up and be able to plug into the dome, or clip it into a module that I have there. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my common grounds here and add another wire to this guy. Another wire to my common grounds. Absolutely. So put my wire nut back on there. Screw that into place. Heck yeah. There we go. So now I have that common ground all there and ready to rock and roll. And I don't have any code set to this, so I don't think it'll do anything, but maybe we'll get a little flickering of light here if I give it power. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now, I'm in code set to this, so that was just the initial startup sequence is all that was, and it's just going to do a little blink light because the software that's on here is just the blink LED sequence. So that's how we know the light's working. So hey, go us. We could put that in our little dome here if we wanted to. Yay. And of course, that would snap onto our robot pretty easily and pull back off. I think that ends all of the basic wiring components for the wearable droid. We've done buttons, we've done buzzers, we've done lights, we've got power to everything at this point in time, and everything should be ready to rock and roll. At any point in time through this process, you could stop and do coding to make something do more or less what you wanted to do. And I'll be posting these videos as options for you to kind of work through and do your very best. So I'll have other videos coming out on modular connecting pieces that connect into the robot, and some other options that can be done with the robot, such as magnetic clips here at the very bottom that you could wear to your clothing, lanyard options in the very back, and so forth. So I look forward to making those for you, and have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.